Do you know kids who rip up worksheets? My name's Sue Larkey. I'm a teacher of children with Autism Spectrum Disorder and ODD and ADHD, any children who think and engage differently. And over the years, I've had children who rip up their worksheets all the time and their books and all sorts of things. Isn't it annoying? Do you wonder why? Well, there's a range of reasons why. Some of my kids are perfectionists, so if they make a mistake, boom. Some of my children just get so frustrated, so they rip it up. And some just like the feel of ripping things up. Try it out. You might like it too. I would love you, if you know a child who's ripping up the worksheets, to just stand back and watch. What is it that makes them rip up the worksheets? For many of my children, you need to think, how can I replace that behaviour? You need to think, what can I do? Oh, they made a mistake. Well, I need to show them how to fix a mistake. Or maybe show them, look, everyone makes mistakes, and show them other children's work where they've rubbed it out or crossed it out. Some of my kids don't like rubbers because it makes a big mess on their page. Or the child who likes the sensory sound of ripping up paper, what I normally do is ask someone in the school if they're doing any craft activities that need ripped up paper. And then I get the child to rip it up and it be used for craft activities elsewhere in the school. Normally the youngest teachers, like younger year teachers, absolutely love it, like prep and reception or whatever your school calls it. But the 5-year-olds often do lots of cutting and pasting, and they love it if I can make containers with the kids that I work with. Or if you've got a child who just gets overwhelmed, maybe you need to make the worksheet shorter. Maybe cut the worksheet up so they can just do a small segment of it, small, achievable. Otherwise, they look at it and it's overwhelming. Have you ever looked at paperwork and gone, oh, it's too hard? I don't know about you, but I don't like paperwork. So put yourself in this kid's shoes and think, what can I do to make this task achievable for them? Best of luck.